So here we have the Kia Sportage on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space, and in there you can also see all of your book packs, lock and wheel nut key, etc. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 58,677. The information displayed above that can be changed for various different bits of trip computer information if you wish to do that. And that is done using buttons on the steering wheel. We also have our stereo controls, cruise control over here as well. And then beneath that, you can activate your voice activation for the phone. You can answer and end phone calls once you've paired your phone. And this button will change the driving setup of the car from comfort to normal or sport. Over in the centre is where you would pair your phone, amongst other things, of course. So we have our CD player just there, for example. The radio, every push of this button will change you from an FM to AM frequency, as you can see. If you listen to your own music, you press this button. Nothing is connected at the minute. You can see there we have a CD player. This car's also got auxiliary and USB inputs as well, so plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car. And if I pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll also see that we have a full colour reversing camera as well. Working our way down from that, we have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. Or you can hit auto. When you do that, the car will take control of the direction of the air and the fan speed to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. Any manual adjustment will automatically override that. Below that, we have a 12-volt charging socket. The auxiliary and USB inputs I mentioned a moment ago. We can turn our parking sensors on and off from here. We have a heated driver's seat with 2 heat settings, and the same for the passenger, and then a 6-speed manual gearbox. The last thing I wanted to mention are the twin sunroofs. The rear one is fixed in position, so it's really for letting light into the back of the vehicle there. The front one, however, you can operate as a proper tilt and slide sunroof, as you can see. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.